Hi peeps, I'm currently in my bathroom. Yeah, sorry, I look a little rough. But anyway, I started doing some work here. I noticed my floor, looks horrible. It looks kind of bad in my opinion. And I thought changing it would actually, give the bathroom a better look. So I went out and purchased those peel and stick vinyl tiles right here. Can you see it? Okay, here. They're very easy. You basically peel and put them on the floor and make sure you measure right. They look like this. Which I think will go better with the bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting them down. That way you can see exactly, how we go from this one right here to the bathroom actually with this colored tile. I think it's gonna look very good. This is what my floor looks like right now. I did a little something, I kind of measure it from here. So I measure, I measure as if this part of the tile here is this part. So I measure it, so I make the line so I can cut that part to see if it'll fit perfectly. So I already finished to measure it. I'm gonna see if after I cut it, if it'll fit there perfectly. So let's see. And there you go. I think it fits perfectly in the corner there. That way I can keep the line straight going down. And I'm gonna do the same thing for this corner right here. Now I think I can begin, just putting the rest of the tile. I wanted to make sure that they would be straight. And with this one, looking the way it's looking, I think we're ready to go.